Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Stew, a Nigerian sauce, is very versatile in use. It can be used to eat white rice, boiled yam, potatoes, plantain, beans, and lots of other foods. Join me today. Let's make a special Nigerian stew. We'll start by pre-cooking the protein we'll use. Here I'm using chicken about 1 kg in weight, cut into pieces, cleaned and washed thoroughly. Add 1 cup chopped onions, then add about 1.5 tablespoons grated ginger, 2 medium-sized habanero pepper chopped into bold pieces, about 4 small leaves of bay leaves, and half tablespoon seasoning powder, 1 cube chicken stock for a deeper flavor, and 1 teaspoon salt. Stir it, cover and allow it to cook. Do not add water to it yet. It's now boiling. Check out all the juice that came out. This is full of flavor. Now we add about 1.5 cup of water, half teaspoon rosemary, half teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon mix seasoning, half teaspoon oregano. Stir it very well. Cover and allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken is now well cooked. We'll set it aside and start cooking our special Nigerian stew. Into a deep pot, pour in a smooth blended mix of fresh tomatoes, cover and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, uncover and allow to simmer until almost all the water has dried out, while stirring at intervals. See how almost all the water has disappeared. Now add about 2 cups vegetable oil. Stir it, cover and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Continue to stir at intervals. Now our tomato mix is cooked well. Add the chicken with the stock. Stir it. Add a tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon mixed seasoning, 2 stock cubes, and a teaspoon of salt. Stir it very well. Cover and allow to simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring at intervals. The stew is ready. This smells so good. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notification so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Here you have it. Yummy, special Nigerian stew. Delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching today. Bye.